I can usually create my YouTube thumbnails in less than 5 minutes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it step by step in Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a clean thumbnail fast, using Canva even if you're a beginner. Once my video is finished uploading to YouTube, I open my browser. Then I go to Canva. After signing in, I'll see all of my previous projects on the screen. Now, we want to start a fresh design. On the main screen, look toward the middle section and click YouTube Thumbnail. If you don't see that option, go to the top right side. Then click Custom Size. Now type 1280 for width, 720 for height. Then click Create New Design. Now we need the background. I usually grab a screenshot from the video I'm making the thumbnail for. So, I open that video. I make it full screen, and then scrub through the timeline, looking for a frame that would make a strong thumbnail. Before taking the screenshot, think about where your text will go. For example, I want my text on the left side, and I want myself on the right side. This helps the thumbnail feel balanced. Once I find the frame I want, I take a screenshot. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus 4. You'll see crosshairs. Now click and drag from corner to corner. Then release. And your screenshot is saved. Now go back to Canva. Open your Downloads folder. Then drag the screenshot into Canva. Once uploaded, drag it onto the canvas. And stretch it so it fills the full thumbnail. Now, if you want your face more on the right side, simply click the image. Then drag a corner. You can resize it and move it around until it looks right. Now move to the left side panel and click Text. Then click Heading. A text box will appear. Now type your first word. Next, highlight the text. Go to the top toolbar. Choose your font. Then adjust the size. You can drag the size slider or type the exact size. For example, 90. Now move your text roughly where you want it. In my case, left side. Then use Left Align, so everything stays clean and readable. Now here's a great trick. If your text is light and your background is also bright, add a shadow. With text selected, go to the top toolbar. Click Effects. Then click Shadow. Now change the shadow color to black. Increase the transparency. And now your text pops much more clearly, especially on bright backgrounds. And that's exactly how I create YouTube thumbnails in Canva in less than 5 minutes. If this helped, leave a like. And I'll see you in the next one.